Hi everyone, welcome to my first vlog of Walking with Laurel. Um, as I put in my description of the channel, this path is going to be the one we walk as often as I can, depending on my condition and how I'm feeling. So anyway, this is the last day of summer here in the Sierra Nevadas. And it's a beautiful, warm, but not hot day. So as we wait for fall tomorrow, let's take a walk on the last day of summer. As we go, I'm going to be describing some of the native plants and some of the trees and plants that my husband and I planted. Trying to expand our vegetation here. We actually now live on a burn scar. Our 7 acres is a burn scar. We came very close to losing our house in a fire in 2017. Right here, this is what they call buckthorn. It's kind of at the end of the season for it. But in the spring, you get these bright white flowers, and they have a very strong sweet smell. This is manzanita, another native plant. You can see the berries here, which are actually edible. The native people would gather these and eat them. They kind of have a powdery consistency, but they're sweet, and they are non-toxic. So other animals like them as well, other than humans. So now we're coming down to the bottom of our property here, our 7 acres. It really is a beautiful afternoon. And then we have our valley view. We are in the lower foothills, by the way, of the Sierra Nevadas. We're not that high in elevation, but we can get snow here when the conditions are right. We're about 1,500 feet here. And here you can see some of the trees that have been, affected by fire. We lost quite a few trees, which my husband has slowly been taking down because it's all dead wood. Yeah, here we go. You can see everything is all dry, typical of late summer, early fall here before we get our rains. And you can see while it is a wildfire zone, we are in a wildfire zone. And again, there's another valley view up here. Right here is Rattlesnake Peak. It's kind of a marker point for, CAL FIRE. When they come over, they look for the peak. They can kind of zero in on when there's a fire happening. So anyway, that's the bottom. That, by the way, if he was in the camera shot, is my son Sean. he's the tech master to help me get started on my channel. So we're about halfway point through our walk here, and this is what I will be showing you on a regular basis. I don't know if you can pick up the wind in the microphone, but very nice. Nice cooling breeze on a warm day. The point of this vlog is to have kind of a constant, serene path, which I think people and their families suffering from cancer can benefit from, because nature has the power to heal. I really believe that. It heals your mind when you're out in nature. So this is the path. One I hope to be showing you on a regular basis through the different seasons. You can see our large native oak, which survived the fire, which I'm so grateful for. We have a white oak, a live oak, and black oak, 3 different types. The black and white oak will lose their leaves in the fall, and the live oak will stay green throughout the season. So, this concludes my first vlog with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I look forward to sharing another one with you at another time. Okay, until then, bye-bye.